there is no better game than cricket, yaar.
Yes, you are right. But now I am feeling hungry, so let's go for the lunch. Yeah, let's go. Oh no, I am not.
What
feeling
happened?
good.
What happened? What happened? Sailendra, Sailendra, what happened? What happened, Sailendra? What should I do now? Sailendra, what happened? Sailendra,
God, please help me.
What happened?
please see.
Let's take him to hospital. Come on, fast.
Please continue high quality chest compressions.
Are you Shailen's brother?
No man, I'm his friend. His brother and other family members are on the way.
Okay. Actually, I had to inform you that when Shailendra came, his condition was not good. He was in a very serious situation. His heart was not beating. He was very serious and very critical. Our team tried their best, but we could not save him. We are really sorry.
Oh God, what else I could have done to save my friend's Sailendra life?
Welcome to the IAP BLS module for Healthcare Provider Certificate course. Congratulations to you for making a decision to effectively help someone survive a sudden cardiac arrest. This could be anyone who could be indebted to you for life if you are able to provide help when it mattered the most. Sudden cardiac arrest can happen to any person, anywhere, at any time. Majority of cardiac arrests occur at home and witnessed in 85% of cases. Time to treatment is critical when considering the chances of survival for a sudden cardiac arrest victim. 95% of those who experience sudden cardiac arrest die because they do not receive life-saving CPR and defibrillation within 4 to 6 minutes before brain death starts to occur. In India, most people do not know how to respond when someone collapses suddenly. Every minute delay in CPR would decrease the survival by 17%. The sudden cardiac arrest is different from heart attack or myocardial infarction. Sudden cardiac arrest is sudden cessation or stopping of effective heartbeat. The cessation of blood supply to the brain results in unresponsiveness. The heart may either stop completely or the electrical activity may be in disarray, that is rhythm abnormality. On the other hand, heart attack or MI is condition where a segment of heart muscle does not get blood and oxygen supply due to blockage of blood vessels feeding the heart muscles. The affected muscle becomes painful and does not contribute to pumping of the blood. All myocardial infarctions do not lead to sudden cardiac arrest, but many sudden cardiac arrests are due to underlying MI and would be helped by CPR. In these situations, though temporary, but the only mode available to maintain the flow of blood to brain and heart is cardiopulmonary resuscitation till either the electrical activity of the heart is corrected by AED or advanced care is available.
Shock delivered.
In this course, you would acquire the skill of providing basic life support for an adult, child and infant cardiac arrest situations. You would also learn to provide help to an adult as well as child and infant victim of complete airway obstruction secondary to foreign body inhalation, which is again a condition where the person standing next to victim is the most helpful one to save the life.
Oh no, I am not.
What
feeling
happened?
good.
What happened? What happened? I'm calling 112. Hello? My friend has collapsed in Vrindavan colony, playground. Please come. What happened? What happened? Sailendra, what happened?
Coming through. Please stand back, sir. We'll take care of him. Hey, are you listening to me? Can you hear me? He's not responding. There's no circumstantial evidence of any drug abuse or poisoning. He's not breathing. There's no pulse. Start CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. AD is analyzing rhythm. Let's switch positions. AD has advised shock. Stay clear.
Clear.
Shock delivered. Resume CPR.
1.
AD is analyzing rhythm. AD has not advised shock.
There is pulse. He's breathing.
Let's shift him to the ambulance.
Are you Shailen's brother?
No, ma'am, I'm his friend. His brother and other family members are on the way.
Okay. Congratulations, we could revive him.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, he had in cardiac arrest and he was very critical when he came. But your chest compressions and your timely interventions saved his life.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for saving my friend's life. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
CPR skills include identification of an arrest situation, calling for help or activation of the existing system, providing high quality chest compressions and rescue breathing, using the defibrillator as and when made available, delivering the shock if required, followed by continued CPR without wasting time. One may encounter sudden cardiac arrest situations either within a hospital setting or out of the hospital setting. If it is an in-hospital cardiac arrest scenario, a pre-identified team like Code Blue team or Rapid Response team may be called immediately. People around the victim may be recruited for out of the hospital setting. This is known as activating the emergency response. The provider is expected to prepare himself or herself according to the area of one's work requirements. Irrespective of the scenario, the important step is calling for help to get an AED to reverse the possible rhythm abnormality.